मित्रांनो, आज आपण सरफेस टेन्शन अँड सरफेस एनर्जी आणि यांच्या डेफिनेशन आणि त्यांच्यामधलं रिलेशन बघणार आहोत. काल आपण ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मॉलिक्युलर थेअरी व्हॉट इज द सरफेस टेन्शन, व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ते बघितलं. आज न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म्युला आपण बघणार आहोत सरफेस टेन्शनचा. नाव व्हॉट इज सरफेस टेन्शन? इफ यू सी द सरफेस हॅविंग प्लेन सरफेस and in this plane surface we have a force line. This is the force line, this one, these are the force line, and PQ is the length. Suppose if we consider these are the force line, correct, and PQ is nothing but our length perpendicular to the force, and the length is suppose L. Then surface tension, that is this force per unit length is the surface tension, that is force per unit length. Surface tension T is defined as the tangential force. This is the tangential because surface is plane and the force is acting tangentially and it is acting per unit length on both sides of the imaginary line. These are the imaginary line drawn on the free surface of a liquid. Therefore we can define this surface tension T is equal to F upon L. Force, this is the tangential force, and this is a PQ is the length perpendicular to the imaginary lines. So T is equal to F upon L. This is numerical formula for surface tension. Okay. Now what are the dimensions? SI unit is, force is Newton and length is meter. So Newton per meter. And dimensions are L0, m1 t raised to minus 2, as f is known to us L1 m1 t minus 2. L dimension can be cancelled out, therefore L0 m1 t raised to minus 2. This is known as a surface tension. Clear this formula? So surface tension is defined as force per unit length, that is tangential force per unit length. Okay. Now surface energy. Surface energy, we know that these are the this is diagram already discussed molecular theory मध्ये आपण बघितलेली आहे. A is within the liquid, B is just below the surface and C is on the surface. So A having no tendency, it is at remain. B having the tendency to total force acting on this B is in downward direction, C is also downward direction. Therefore the surface having a tendency to minimize its surface area. So when the surface is experienced that the more cohesive force other than adhesive force on the molecule B and C. Therefore, and the surface film, this is surface film, this YY dash and XX dash, and this film of the liquid, in this liquid having a tendency to downward, so it must have to build the surface, and so it having some energy, and that energy, that work we have to do that on this B and C molecule to hold on the surface or below the surface. कारण बी आणि सी ला आपल्याला सरफेसवरती राहण्यासाठी काहीतरी फोर्स अप्लाय करावा लागेल. फोर्स अप्लाय केला म्हणजे वर्क डन आलं, and that work is stored in the form of potential energy, and that is known as a surface energy. Clear? That work is stored in the form of potential energy, and this is nothing but the surface energy. की सरफेसला कोणती तरी एनर्जी असते, and that energy is nothing but surface energy. Clear? So if you consider this, work has to be done to bring any molecule from inside the liquid, कारण surface पाहिजेच आपल्याला, the liquid into the surface film. Clearly the surface molecule possess extra potential energy as compared to the molecule inside the liquid. The extra energy of the molecule in the surface layer is called the surface energy of the liquid. Correct? This is surface energy. If you consider this, first remark is most important. Molecule on the liquid surface exert net inward force. Molecule वरती कोणता फोर्स येतो? Inward force. In spite of this, if they remain on at the surface, they possess higher potential energy. सरफेसवरती असणाऱ्यांकडे जास्त पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. ॲज अ युनिव्हर्सल प्रॉपर्टी एनी सिस्टीम ट्रायज टू मिनिमाइज इट्स पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, हेन्स लिक्विड सरफेस ऑल्सो ट्रायज टू मिनिमाइज इट्स surface area. This is the hands. Clear? This one. Clear this? Now, let us see what is the second remark. Second remark is when a number of droplets coalesces म्हणजे एकत्र येणे. This one. Coalesces droplet and form a drop, there is a reduction in the total surface area. In this case, energy is released. ज्या वेळेला ड्रॉपलेट्स जेव्हा कमी होतात म्हणजे दॅट विल बी द मिनिमम सरफेस एनर्जी. ते काय करतात, एनर्जी काय करतात, सरफेस एनर्जी मिनिमाइज करतात. सो दिस इज नोन ॲज द सरफेस एनर्जी. क्लिअर दिस? ओके, we just adjust this one. Clear? So this is all about the surface energy. पहिला रिमार्क मध्ये काय करतोय आपण की कोणत्याही सरफेस वरती असणारे जे मॉलिक्युल्स असतात दे हॅव्हिंग अ पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, अँड पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी एव्हरी सबस्टन्स ऑर दिस युनिव्हर्सल प्रॉपर्टी की सिस्टम ट्राईज टू मिनिमाइज इट सरफेस एनर्जी, potential energy. So liquid surface tries to minimize its surface area. Secondly, when the number of droplets coalesces to form a drop, एक मोठा ड्रॉप तयार केला, there is a reduction in the total surface area. In this case, energy is released to the surrounding. Okay, this is all about surface tension and surface energy. Clear this surface energy and surface tension? Now let us see what is the relation between these two, relation between the surface energy and surface tension. Now if you see this is a rectangular frame PQRS. If you drop into the soap solution, then this is the length, then the force is applying. As this is a free surface and free surface is minimized to its surface area, just like this one. See this one, correct? And force is acting on it, तो force त्या बाजूला, आणि we are trying to opposite force is required to increase the surface. Is it right? Clear these two arrow. If you see this arrow, correct, this is also, this will minimize its surface area, and we have to the force is in net inward force is in this direction. This is a thin film, and we have to work on this one. That is the work is done. Dx is suppose here. Then force is equal to force is nothing but T into L. Actually surface tension force per unit length. Yeah, correct. Now force must be equal to T into 2L. 2L because it having two surfaces. याच्यामध्ये काय दोन सरफेस, कारण एअरच्या रिलेटेड हा एक सरफेस आला आणि याचा बॅकचा सरफेस आला. वेर ॲज लिक्विडमध्ये काय असतं, फक्त एकच सरफेस एअरशी रिलेटेड असतं. इथं थिन फिल्म आहे. थिन फिल्म इज इफेक्टेड बाय टू सरफेसेस, फ्री एअर सरफेसेस. सो टू फॅक्टरीज अरायझेस. सो F is equal to 2 into 2L. Now dW is force into displacement, dx is here. So force F dash is applying to maximize the surface area because the net inward force is in this direction. This is liquid, correct. Now if you push it in this direction, r dash q dash, so q r dash q dash is formed, and this is F dash dx. If you substitute this value here, F dash value, then T into 2L dx, dW is equal to, this is actually F dash, is T into 2L dx. So 2L dx is nothing but dA, this surface area, and if you put it here, so dW is equal to T dA, correct. And this is the work done. So this is a surface tension and this is the work, and this surface area. Work done is nothing but surface energy. So surface energy and surface tension, this is the relation. dW, remember this, very important. dW is equal to T into dA is nothing but the relation between surface energy and surface tension. Clear? This work done is stretching the film. आपण stretch करतो, is stored in the area dA. This is the area dA, of the film as its potential energy. This energy is called a surface energy. Is it right? So surface energy is equal to T into dA. Is it correct? So this is the relation we have seen today. Surface energy means what? Surface tension and the relation between these two. So clear this point? Any doubt? So surface tension is also equal to the surface energy per unit area. Surface tension हा surface energy आणि हा dA तिकडे जाईल. The surface energy per unit area is nothing but also the surface tension. This is our definition. Is it clear to everyone? So read it carefully. PDF form is at your mobile, correct? So read this clearly. If any doubt, ask me. So clear these 2 points: surface tension, surface energy. काही अडचण असेल तर मित्रांनो फोन करायला विसरू नका. ओके, थँक्यू.